Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. Before we even get started with this video, of course, you know I don't normally look like this. This is a lot extra today. Brian and I were invited to be part of a wedding photography session tonight since my friend knew that we just got married this summer, had our wedding gown, you know, everything still fit. So yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. I didn't want to let good hair and makeup go to waste. And if you're at all interested in seeing what those photos end up turning out like, I will make sure to post a few over on my Instagram page. I'll link that down in the description box so you can head over there, and when those are ready, I'll post a few. It's just gonna be a lot of fun, and I definitely didn't want to turn down the opportunity to wear my wedding dress again. But enough about that. That's exciting for me. What's exciting for you guys is my Dollar Tree haul today. I have lots of goodies. I always love to do these for you guys so you can see what I'm purchasing in my store that I'm going to be crafting with in upcoming videos. That way you guys can grab those now or whenever you find them so you know you have them when it's time to get to crafting. So you can see I kind of have some piled up here, but I have it on the floor too, and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the very first item. Now, I'm super impressed with Dollar Tree this year. They have upped their Christmas game. I think they finally figured out what is popular. They have had some things in the past. I have a really small Dollar Tree, and I don't usually see a lot of the really trendy things, but this year was a whole lot different. They don't even have everything out yet, and I'm still picking through things and finding some really good stuff, so I'm excited when they actually get everything out. But this is the first item that I found. It says North Pole Tree Farm. It is a metal tin, even has the red trucks and old-time cars around it with the Christmas trees. Love that. This is something I grab every single year because they fly off the shelves. They are the bottle brush trees. They come in a pack of 2. So a big one and a small one. So I always grab several of these because I definitely craft a lot with them. Along those same lines, they have their whole little village set up, and I actually bought some little houses, but I think I'll have to go grab those. But these are all with their little village collection. I wish I would have grabbed more of these little bitty mini red trucks. There's even an adorable camper, and then also a Santa, a Mrs. Claus, and a snowman. These are cute for ornaments and things like that, but you have to see what I come up with in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss out on those. Keeping it with the red trucks, are these not amazing? They are wooden trucks. Of course, you could make them whatever color you want, but the red trucks are what's popular. So this is a pack of 5 for $1. You can make them into ornaments or whatever, but I see lots of projects happening with that. So I also picked up their snowflakes. Those are always really cute, and some Christmas trees. And then I also tend to buy things in 2s or 3s, especially whenever I know that I might want to use this for something and this for totally something different, or they may go together and I may need several of one thing. So I don't know, it's just kind of what I end up doing. But these are I don't know, they're not wood, they're like pressed wood or something. Little mason jars. One says have a jolly Christmas, and this one says happy holidays with the red truck. With those, there was a cute snow globe with a snowman, and this one says happy holidays. Again, with the wooden shapes. I'm not the biggest fan of the glitter stockings, but these candy canes and mittens that are wood, love those. Now, I already opened these because I use these as part of my Halloween decor, but they're called emergency lights. You put 2 batteries on the inside, you can twist them, and then they light up. So I did use them for Halloween, but these will be great for Christmas time too. I may have some elf-themed projects coming up. So this one says Express Your Elf with cute little elf stockings on the front. And who can pass these up? They are the clear ornaments. This is the bigger size, so there's only 1 for $1. If you get the smaller size, you get 2 for $1. But I just did a full big tutorial of 10 different ways you can use these over on my other channel. So if you don't know about that, I have a whole channel dedicated to everything Christmas called The Cozy Christmas Cottage. So if you want to go over to that channel, you'll see a tutorial on how to use these clear ornaments 10 different ways. Epsom salt is a must during Christmas and the whole winter season because it makes the best faux snow. And Dollar Tree has these bags. I think they're £1. They're 16 ounces, so they're £1. And these go a long way, especially if you're going to be using them in like small clear ornaments like this or in winter scenes. Here's another elf item. It's an ornament, but they're cute little elfy legs, and you know, you can take these apart and use these for different things, so that is my plan. More wood pieces. I love working with wood. I especially love stained wood when it brings all the wood grain out, so I have 2 of these larger sized Christmas trees. And then I went crazy over their red and black buffalo check, so I grabbed a bunch of their ornaments. This one says joy. This one says Merry Christmas. This is a Christmas tree. And then I also have a star and a regular round ornament. I wish I would have grabbed more of these because I could see lots of potential with these, so I may head back and grab a couple more if I can find them. And again, with the red and black buffalo check, is this not cute? It's like a cardboard gift bag. So it has a little handle on the top. It's not your traditional sack. It's actually made of like a cardboard, and it says joy to the world in a wreath. Love it. More of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I think I have several of these in storage, but decided I was gonna grab a couple more because I might need a lot of these for an upcoming project. So 2 more just in case. These are both in the traditional green color. And I also have a tutorial on how I used these to create a snowflake wreath. It's one of my most watched videos. If you wanna go watch that, I will link that down in the description box too. It seems to be super duper popular, and if you're gonna create that, you're gonna need 6 of these, and you're gonna need to grab them now before they're gone. This was new. I had never seen these before either. I'm not sure if they have different ones, but my store had Mary with a reindeer on it. It's again that like pressed cardboard or wood type. It's got a jute handle on the top. And I don't know, I just feel like we can cut that reindeer off and use that, or just use the Mary for something. So I'm gonna get creative with this. Also another elf. This one says Santa's elves see everything. My son loved this so much, he bought one too, and he has it hanging on his bedroom door already. I grabbed some of this. It is the, it just says Garland on the front. It's like the evergreen garland. It's all twisted up, but you can unroll it all and then it becomes, let's see, it says 15 feet long. I couldn't pass up, and I'm gonna try to make these not make too much noise. Couldn't pass up jingle bells, gold and silver, gold and silver. I couldn't pass these up for Christmas time, for Christmas projects. Of course you can always paint them or whatever, but made sure I had both of the metallic ones on hand. Lots of Christmas ribbon. Let's see if it'll focus. So this one and this one are snowflakes. You can see I've already used the white snowflake ribbon. And then also this is red and silver sparkly ribbon. And then here are my little village houses. So I've made different projects with these before too, but I got 3 this year. Let's see what they are. This one says a general store. Oh, I love this one. This is antique shop. And then this is just kind of like a Victorian style house. Loved these. I want to get more of these. My store only had 2 of the kind of just more traditional. They had some that had glitter on them. I did not want the glitter ones. These just have like it looks like Epsom salt like stuck to them. So some snowy branch picks. Now the next few items are not found in the Christmas section, but they will definitely be used for Christmas projects. So I wanted to throw these in there too. The candles, I've used these a lot lately in fall projects and just regular farmhouse style projects, but now we're gonna be using some for Christmas time. These I was so excited to see. I don't know if you guys have had a shortage of these, but I haven't seen these in like a year in my Dollar Tree. They're more of the grapevine style wreath, and then they're twisted up with some jute. So, and then I just found this one at a different Dollar Tree. It's kind of a little bit bigger, like these little ones can fit inside of it. Let's see, 12-inch. It says they're all 12-inch, but these are bigger. So I grabbed one of the bigger ones, and then I have 2 of these smaller ones. And wreaths are just a staple when it comes to Christmas time, so I have 2 of their foam wreath forms. Couldn't pass these up. They are the floating shelves. They're just plastic. They're not super nice or high-end, but they could be, and they can also become some really cool projects. So I have 2 of these. I was also super excited to find these wooden kind of shadow box style wood signs. So they do have like a raised piece, 3D piece in there that I can just pop right off. And then I see lots of cute Dollar Tree Christmas sign. That one's upside down. Christmas sign. So this one has a rocket on it, and then he pops off. But then, well, so many different things that you can do with these. Make a tray, use it for storage, put your makeup on it. So many different things. So if you see these are definitely a good find. These were just really, really pretty frames. Now they do have little hangers on them, but you don't necessarily have to use them. This one's like packaged up in the back, but this is beautiful. It's got a butterfly in it with a shiny gold frame. So these will just get a different kind of a look. I really see this one as like a wintertime themed once you take the inside out and kind of change it up a little bit. So that's over 50 different items that I shared with you today. Let me know down in the comments below which item that you'll be hunting for at your Dollar Tree. Please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe so you can come back and watch all of the fun Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs that I planned that are soon to come. Also, there is a bell right next to the subscribe button you can hit and select all so you get notified when those videos go live. I'll also have more Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs popping up on your screen, so you can check those out next. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.